What's up, everybody? My name is Tommy Griffith. I'm one of the co-founders of ClickMinded. Today, we're going to be talking about how to onboard a new Facebook ads client fast. This is an exact step-by-step tutorial on how I do new client onboarding for Facebook in 5 minutes or less. Now, if you're running a digital marketing agency or consultancy, I doubt that I have to explain to you what a nightmare this can be, especially if you have new clients who are specifically hiring you because they are slightly digital marketing incompetent, which is fine. That's why they're hiring you, but it can be an enormous pain to get these people onto your Facebook ads client platform or to get access to their Facebook ads client platform and to get everything consolidated with the permissions set correctly and in the right place. On top of this, even if you do figure out the correct process, Facebook ads UI is changing all the time, and so you can get monkey wrenches thrown into your process at any given moment. So I doubt I need to explain to you what a pain this is. We're gonna walk through exactly how we do it and how you can implement it yourself in 5 minutes or less. Now, the way we're gonna be doing this today is by following the Facebook ads new client onboarding SOP in the ClickMinded members area. So I'm in the ClickMinded members area now, and on the left-hand side, I'll click execute. This takes you to our massive library of SOPs, templates, and prompts. I could look through all of these via filtering if I wanted to look for category, platform, use case, or resource type. I can also do a search myself. I could type onboarding and look for all the options there. But I know exactly what SOP I'm looking for this time, and it's SOP number 112, how to do Facebook ads management. Onboarding a Facebook ads management client. I'm going to click that SOP. And there we go. Now I'm on SOP number 112. If you're unfamiliar with how the SOPs work at ClickMinded, we'll just briefly go over them. At the top, you have the ability to export as PDF, Google Docs, or .docx. We also have one-click project management system integrations with Asana, Notion, ClickUp, Monday, and Trello. So if you use any of those project management systems, you can export this SOP into those. We start off every SOP with a goal, ideal outcome, why it's important, where it's done, when it's done, who does it, and any prerequisites. And if we need any additional resources, those will always be linked to from the SOP. As I complete things, I'll check them off and you'll see the progress meter move ahead. And we can do that all the way down. So the first step, download this Facebook ads client onboarding folder and upload it to your own Google Drive. This folder includes an onboarding questionnaire, project management template, and a subfolder called marketing and creative resources to onboard your client. Once you've uploaded the folder, share the folder access with your client. As you can see, we use very detailed screenshots with very specific arrows and calls to action of what you should be doing. I've downloaded this folder, I've uploaded it to Google Drive, and I'll click check. Next, it's to send the welcome email. Send the welcome email as soon as you receive the signed contract. We're going to use template number 39, onboarding email template for Facebook ads clients. So I'll open that up in a new tab to request all necessary information from your client. The onboarding email template includes a linked SOP to help guide your client to grant you access, the onboarding questionnaire that they should fill out, the Google Drive folder where all the assets will be shared, a link to schedule the kickoff call, the contacts of all team members that will work on the client's account. All you have to do is edit the following: link to your Facebook ads client onboarding folder, your Facebook business ID, link to schedule the kickoff call with the client, and the team contact details. Okay, so I have template number 39 opened up in a new tab, the onboarding email template for Facebook ads clients. I can export this in all of these options. I have a preview of it down here. So there it is. There's the email subject line. Hey, name, great to have you on board. All I need to do is replace the highlighted variables with my own information. So replace this with your real business ID, the URLs to point to your Google Drive folder. Just follow the process, change out the URLs to your own, change the email addresses and names of your team, and then send the email. Now I'll come back to the onboarding SOP. I'll check that off. I just sent the welcome email. And now I'll set up the kickoff call. Make sure your client has filled out the onboarding questionnaire before the call. That's linked to from Google Drive, and it's mentioned in the email. Send an email reminder 2 days before the call to remind the client to fill out the questionnaire. Use template 37, the client kickoff call template. So we'll open that up in a new tab. Calculate the approximate ad budget using template 36, the Facebook ads budget calculator. We'll open that up in a new tab. Plan the project scope and deliverables using template 35. The Facebook ads project management spreadsheet. We'll open that up in a new tab. Fill the Facebook ad client brief following template number 96. Facebook ads account management client brief. We'll open that up in a new tab, and then set up a strategy proposal call with the client. So here's template 37, the client kickoff call template. We can see a preview of this template here. We can export it as Google Slides, a PDF, or .pptx, just to show you a brief overview of what that template looks like. We have template number 36, the Facebook ads budget calculator, exportable as a Google Sheet or a .xlsx file. And we can see all of the budget templating there. Template number 35, the Facebook ads project management spreadsheet, exportable as Google Sheet or .xlsx file. And there is the template for everything that's completed, not yet started, in progress, and the deliverables listed there. And template number 96, this is the Facebook ads account management client brief. How to fill in this brief. All the information in this brief is acquired through the onboarding call and the client onboarding questionnaire. During the onboarding call, you should get a clear understanding of the client's goals, budget, scope of work required to execute a successful campaign. The onboarding questionnaire should then provide you further insight into the client's business, products, and current online marketing efforts. All of this is listed here. This gets all filled out, and you can make modifications to it as you see fit. One other thing before we wrap this up is to make sure to remove our logo and put your logo on via the bulk white label feature. So in the left-hand side, I'm going to go to Account. And then on the bottom left of the account section, I'll click bulk white label. This allows me to remove the ClickMinded branding and put your branding on every document. All I have to do is click enable. You can upload your logo here, change your brand colors to whatever you want. You can select it manually or set the hex color there. And you can also remove any ClickMinded links in the document as you see fit, and then just click update white label settings. And that's it. That's a high-level overview of how to do Facebook ads new client onboarding in 5 minutes or less. Now, I have a challenge for you. If you've recently signed a Facebook ads client or you have one coming up in the future, try to follow this process step by step and see if you can add a new client in under 5 minutes. You could also hand this off to a staff member or an employee. Have them go through the process, follow the SOPs, follow the templates, interact with the client based on the principles that we talk about, and see if you get a more optimized process out of it. There's links down below to do this right now. Thanks a lot.